It's how they dress. Now, by the way, this is the time in one's life where you'll take 2 hours to get ready, right? You know what I'm talking about. This is the time when eating disorders become, epidemic. This is the time because people are very concerned about the way they look. We have body image issues. We're worried about, what we're wearing. Brand names are very important at this age, right? You know if you're a parent. But it has to be a certain brand, right? It has to be a specific type of clothes, and very concerned about how they appear. You know what that's called? Zina. It's adornment. Look at Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He says that know that the life of this world is what first? Play. And then what second? Lahu. Entertainment, stimulation. And then third is zina, is beautification, adornment, where we're very concerned about this. So we get a little older, and now we're going to university, we're starting to build a career, and now it's not as important what you're wearing or what you look like. It's not as important the entertainment, it's not as important the rabble, but now what's important to you? وَتَفَاخُرٌ بَيْنَكُمْ. Allah says, boasting between one another. You know the showing off, trying to prove yourself, comparing yourself to others? It's called social media. Right? We have a platform for it now. Right? We have a platform for it now. So now you don't just compare yourself with your neighbor, you can compare yourself to people on the other side of the world. And guess what? Now you don't just show off to your neighbor, now you can show off to people on the other side of the world. And so this tafakhurun baynakum is to boast. It's to show off. It's this sort of mutual showing off. Well, if you get something new or something fancy, it's like, it's no fun unless you put it on display, right? It's not, it's like I say, it's like, your nikah isn't fully, it's not fully halal until everyone knows about it and everyone sees the photos. You feel like there's this need to put your blessings on display. And whether that's showing off or it's not is between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But this is a culture. It's a culture of showing off. It's a culture of boasting. That showing our money, showing our status, showing our power, showing the gifts that Allah has given us. We want other people to see. And this is part of our boasting between one another. And this happens as we, get to that stage of life. وَتَفَاخُرٌ بَيْنَكُمْ. And then later on, when we settle down and now we have children and we've made more money, and now what does Allah say? وَتَكَاثُرٌ فِي الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَوْلَادِ. And now it's about trying to make more and more of money to compete in making more. This takathur, you want more and more, you amass more and more of wealth and children. Now, what do we use to show off?